So at eFlow, at this table, the users can add new lines to the table by just clicking this new line button. But if I want to skip this, if I don't want the users add new lines, I have a function for that. Let's go to designer and let's get a new calculate tool, and from action we will go to, let's say, skip add row. I don't know, let's change the background color, and we will go to function and we will first choose the table that we want to edit, and now we will go to functions, and for that we have a function set line item table button states. The table will be sales2 table. Add button, I want to do it true, and I want to do it true again. All right, and it goes back to task form, and I just save this process. I activate, I go to eFlow, I refresh my page, and you see here skip add row button. I just click it, and you see the users cannot add rows when I use this function. But if I want to release this, I just copy and paste this. Let's say release add row, and let's go back to task form, but this time the function will be false and false. All right, I save this process, I activate it, I go back to eFlow, I just refresh, and you see I have release add row button. I just click it, and yes, now new lines, new rows can be added.